Okay, today we're going to teach you how to do a 180.
First of all, you need to know how to ollie. If you want to know how to ollie, you do this. Oh. This helps. Practice off like this. That really helps. Well, now, if you do know how to ollie, this is what you do next. When you're in air, you do that, like, oops, my bad, that was a pop trumpet. Speak louder. You turn your whole body around. So, when you're 180, you're supposed to do that. Okay.
Fail.
Stupid guard. Do it again. And then do a wheel right now.
Ah, get out of here.
Not perfect, but good enough. No rude comments, please. And I know I'd be happy for you, but
Trolls, no rude comments.